This is just a super quick video. I've had an idea. I've been mulling it over for a while. I just wanted to run through it with you. These videos that I make, especially the cinematic ones, like I'm here in the Peak District, take a lot of time. And that's fine, I enjoy making them. But there's a huge amount of work involved there, and there's not always a huge return on it in the short term anyway. You may know I've quit my job now, so I have a bit more time. And I had the idea of maybe doing some more easy to record vlogs, a bit like this, where I run through maybe more personal stuff, more specific topics, anything that you're interested in really, and kind of leave it a bit more conversational, so minimally edited, so I don't have to spend hours getting it right in the studio. So you'll have to put up with a few ums and ahs and maybe more pauses, but I thought that might be interesting to people, so I just kind of wanted to say this is what I'm going to be doing a little bit more, just in between still doing the Q&A, the gear reviews and the bikepacking films as well, just to see what the response is like really. So if there's any feedback, anything that you want me to cover, there you go, first mistake of the video, just let me know in the comments and I will do my best to do it for you. Thanks for watching.